project will be available in the near future. This technology will support in evaluating the actual total area of inland water potential for captured fisheries and identifying the potential location of favorable area for developing freshwater aquaculture to support the industry and readapt the pond management plans. Number 16, Upwelling Research Initiative has been proposed for joint regional cooperation research for 2015-2019, and the project will be focused on physical and biogeochemical process through observation and numerical model and its impact on the human dimension aspect. And inland fisheries research and management, particularly of eels, as high-value fish, will be potentially and expected to be involved in human dimension aspect as a linkage between inland and ocean fisheries and ocean fisheries. It is expected that this could be a milestone toward comprehensive sea inland management and the conservation of eel. Number 17. Inland water biodiversity is continuously threatened by overfishing, water pollution, habitat destruction, flow modification, and invasive species. As it is now being a global challenge, it is important to include climate change studies along the attempt to minimize, to manage, and to adapt this Taryoto, Dr. Muhammad Setiadi, Professor Rubianto Susanto, Professor Wiatjanya, Dr. Karim Kafar, Dr. Muklis Kamal, and Dr. Arif Wibowo. Thank you very much. I got message that, strongly message from Pak Budi that this conclusion will bring or will apply to the next coming meeting, January meeting FAO in Rome. Thank you very much.
Thank you for Dr. Bambang Setiadi. Ladies and gentlemen, now we would like to invite Mr. Budi Iskandar Prisantoso for the closing remark.
Keynote speakers of this conference, delegation of CIFDEC and CIFDEC member countries, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I would like to state my appreciation to all of you, keynote speakers from overseas and Indonesia, and for all participants of this conference. Within these 3 days seminars and Musito for sightseeing Musirika, I hope you get much information on inland fishery. At the end, this come up with a bundle of policy and recommendation which has been formulated and led by Dr. Bambang. The formulation was chaired by Dr. Andi Taryoto. I'm very appreciative. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, on Tuesday we signed a national legitimacy document of CIFDEC IRD-MD. Hopefully, by developing Inland Fisheries Research Development and Management Department of CIFDEC will increase our commitment to support research and development of inland water fisheries within ASEAN countries. Ladies and gentlemen, now it is time to close this favorite conference. Once more, I truly appreciate the strong support. I also place my special appreciation to the participants from CIFDEC, Secretariat, Department, and CIFDEC member countries. I thank to my organization committee who have involved in this event and hope to always have a good cooperation in the near future. To all of distinguished guests, I hope You all have nice and safe trip back to your country home. We look forward to welcoming you again in the 2 years. By stating Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin, I declare that International Conference on Inland Fisheries is officially closed.
Ladies and gentlemen, that's the end of the International Conference on Indonesian Inland Fisheries. We sincerely thanks to the keynote speaker, presenter, and all to the committee, and thank you very much for your participation. We look forward to seeing you at the next Inland Fisheries Conference. See you.